How do you save a web page on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new on this channel, consider subscribing for more tutorials and explanations like this one. Well, the web page is, of course, accessed through your web browser like Safari or Chrome. And if you want to save it, it depends on how, right? You want to save it perhaps through the Safari for save reading in later. So you can tap on the three dots and click on add to your favorites or add a bookmark, right? So you have the ability to save it as a bookmark. So you can always just return back to the Safari and continue reading or accessing that web page. Or you might as well just want to export that web page and save it in your files or somewhere else. And for that, you can just capture the screenshot of the page like this, with the pressing of the volume up button and the power button at the same time, then clicking on the screenshot and switching from just the screen to the full page. And it can just export and save that whole web page as a PDF file or as an image, right? So you will be able to access it later offline and essentially anytime you want, even without the internet. So that is another way of saving that web page. Or you might as well just want to print it out or at least save the printable PDF. So you can click on the three dots, tap share, tap more again, and go to the print, which gives you the ability to save it like that as another style of PDF document, which contains everything important on the web page. So that is another way how we can do this. So I would really appreciate if you let me know in the comments below if you actually managed to make it work. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss tutorials and upcoming videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon in the later videos as well.